May you are not agree with me, but this dictionary kill your all speaking English ability. Just second. Today I am going to reveal my secret. How do I become fluent in English? I actually obey with you that fluent in English, it's not so easy or piece of cake for any individual who wanted to fluent in English. But some key thing which you remember, then your English journey is going to be good and you will be successful in just a few time, which is not so long for you or so hard for you to learn or speak fluent in English. First of all, I just wanted to told you that this video is not going to be any type of promotional video or any type of advertisement video. I just share my own roadmap, how to I become fluent in English. But I firmly believe that I am not a pro in fluent in English. But previous time when I try to told English, in this time I just start in after some few words. But at this time I just fluently told English, which is so welfare for me, and I think it's my big achievement. Not just makes any kind of thing disorderly or so unorganizedly, which is not bring any type of welfare for you. Just one way, one word to fluent in English is speaking with ChatGTP. Basically, ChatGTP is a AI chatbot, and you'll just think about how to ChatGPT help me to grow in English. But I firmly believe it when you try to told voice in ChatGPT, when you used voice with ChatGPT to talk in English anytime, any situation, this give me a proper impact of your speaking in English. I told you what the roadmap is going to be like that. You just told ChatGPT is open the voice option in ChatGPT and told him you are my instructor for next few days or next recent few days and guide me as a how to I become fluent in English and give me a proper result based on my speeches. That time ChatGPT talk with you and you also talk with ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT is a AI chatbot which is OpenAI from, and it's basically research your whole conversation and mark what is your error in there and what is your the basically problem, and they suggest me to this specific error and told you to fix it. So sorry, I have some slip of tongue some of time. I think I hope you are understand it. So when ChatGPT summarize what your problem is, you actually get a tutor which with a zero fee. So it's become a great tutor for you as a ChatGPT. So I hope that I give you the best possible opportunity to fluent in English. So I hope that you are beneficial with my this statement. So hit the like and subscribe for more amazing knowledge. Bye everybody.